Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Prestige Induction Cooktop Error E5. So first thing is switch off the cooktop and let it cool completely before troubleshooting. And now make sure to check pan compatibility and ensure you're using a flat bottomed induction compatible pan because error E5 often means that you have an improper cookware. Now, what you could try to do is also wipe the glass and pan bottom because dirt, oil, or moisture can cause poor contact. Another one is ensure proper ventilation because E5 error may indicate overheating. So check that the cooktop's vents are not blocked and allow proper airflow. Now, what you could try to do as well is just simply reset the cooktop by unplugging the unit for 2 to 3 minutes, then plug it back in and try again, and you should be able to fix it. There you go. See ya.